Although the Brownsville Tri-County Hospital officially closed its doors on Thursday, February 12th, many questions among hospital employees regarding unpaid wages and benefits were opened. Hiller Attorney Herbert Mitchell volunteered his legal assistance to the employees by offering to represent them as creditors and file proofs of claims in the hospital's Chapter 11 bankruptcy proceeding. On February 25th, Mitchell invited hospital employees to the Hiller Fire Hall for a question and answer session on legal issues relating to the hospital's closure and to discuss the proper steps employees must take to recover unpaid wages. Approximately 100 concerned employees turned out for the event.
For the meeting, Brownsville Tri-County Hospital.
Okay.
All of us can go over like what we found out with unemployment, things that we can maybe try to help some of the workers with.
What issue gives you the most concern?
Back pay, benefits. Why was money taken out of our checks for benefits we didn't have?
Well, you know, we've always tried to support the hospital and are as disappointed as everybody else that it was forced to close. So we just came over to see how we can be of any assistance to any of the employees that are here. I guess really our role will be to try to expedite any sort of claim that they file with labor and industry or try to ease that.
Although withholdings were reflected on employee paychecks, later revelations showed that employee taxes, insurance premiums, and retirement plans were not paid. Determining the actual amount of money owed by the hospital will be a difficult task that Attorney Mitchell has assigned to all the employees for the purposes of determining their proofs of claim. Fayette County District Attorney Nancy Vernon has also looked into the matter to investigate potential criminal conduct.
Small group of 6 of us that have pulled the employees together to give them information about things that were left unopened when the hospitals closed on February 12th. Herb Mitchell has decided to become our attorney free of charge. So that the graciousness, we appreciate that. So he's going to try to help us tonight deal with the legal ends that we need to do and the information that we need to give to the district attorney that she needs. And we're trying to give the employees all that information in one lump sum so that they know what they need to do for the next step, just to try to give some closure.
Republic native and bankruptcy attorney Jeffrey Golombeski heard about the meeting and made an appearance to offer assistance to the employees and Mitchell in any way he could.
Well, most people, particularly people in depressed areas like we live in, live paycheck to paycheck. You know, if you don't get one, that only makes the ensuing obligations you have to pay all that more difficult, and oftentimes it's enough to topple over a family, an ordinary family, on a sensitive budget.
Yeah. So what, I guess, just last question, what is your message to the folks that turned out tonight? I mean, there's no guarantee for them, correct?
No. Okay. But tough times never last. Tough people always do.
Well, the hospital is an important part of this community. My family, we've all used that hospital for years, and it's quite a blow. This community would never be the same without that establishment and those people that work there. There's a lot of great employees there. And I was pleased with the turnout. I was glad we were able to offer some help to it, although this is small compared to the big picture what these people are experiencing. They have a lot of complicated issues there with their lack of that they've been denied their unemployment compensation because as I've learned, the earnings statements were not filed properly by the corporation. They have no record at the unemployment office that these people were ever employed at the Brownsville Tri-County Hospital. The Southwest Regional Tax Bureau did not get the proper reportings according to their director. So those withholdings were apparently absent. It's too soon to know how bad it is or how good it is because of the timing here. They just filed the bankruptcy last Wednesday, and so it's going to take a while for a lot of this to play out and get the answers that these people desire and so desperately need.
The next group meeting is scheduled for Wednesday, March 11th, 6 p.m. at the Hiller Fire Hall. For the Brownsville Telegraph, I'm Mitch Mitchell.